Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Jyoti, and
me, SHRUTI.
we're going back to Maajja today. They
Okay.
dropped another one on the 6th of August, and it is the same guy who was in the previous one, Shan Vincent de Paul,
Oh,
SVDP,
nice. Yeah.
whose skills blew our minds.
Yes.
The last time. So
Yes.
this is also the director of this video again is him.
Okay.
Or director, it says, I don't know, music director, video director, I don't know. Producer is La+ch, produced by Maajja. Artist is SVDP and TiKA, someone called TiKA. So
Okay.
again, very highly requested. Let's just do it. Maajja never disappoint. I'm expecting another big
Anthem vibe.
video.
Nice. TiKA.
Let's check it out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, play.
They tried to bury me, it didn't see me coming back. You tried to bury me, you didn't see me coming back.
Interesting.
All right. Wait, so all these artists are from where all are they? Like, do
So
we have
he's
like
he's Canadian. He's from Canada.
Mm,
TiKA, I'm guessing, is also from there.
mm,
If I'm wrong, please tell me in the comments. But I really liked her voice.
amazing. Like
Mm.
amazing voice, amazing screen presence, amazing attitude. The song was good. The music was, it had you moving despite yourself. Even
Mm.
if you wanted to just stay still and listen,
Mm.
no, I'm sorry, you don't have a control over your body when you're listening to songs like this,
Like this,
because they
yeah.
kind of just like
Right.
grab you and say, nah, now you surrender. Now let
Exactly.
us tell you what you need to do with your body.
Yeah.
Amazing. It was just absolutely like, okay, listen, Maajja is like blowing my mind and getting into my senses like with every song. I
Absolutely.
am loving this. Like, thank you. Thank you for this
The
music. I love it.
vision is so big. The vision is so grand. The vision is cinematic. You know,
Yes. Yes.
as far as all the videos go, even.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, overall, the vision for Maajja and what it's going to be about is just one word: is big.
Yes. Yes. And the song, and if I take away one meaning from the song, the lyrics,
Yeah.
because as an audience, when we watch something,
Mm.
there's also one, yes, you're looking at it and you're seeing the visual aspects, the singing, this, the that, the upper ka stuff. But the impact that you experience when you've seen a song, is actually what stays with you for a really long time, right? If you landed up learning something, if you had a little bit of an, like an experience with the song. With this, the few words which kept repeating and it kept coming back to me was about how there will be shit in life that'll go wrong. There will be tough times that you might experience, but it doesn't mean anything. Like
Doesn't
it
mean
doesn't mean
anything.
it doesn't mean shit. And there are so many interpretations of it, right? That all the tough times that come in your life, just move past them. If you don't give them attention, if you just look past it and focus on the better stuff and just keep moving, that's it. Every time, victim mentality, when any small thing goes wrong and we look at it and go, oh my God, something happened to me. It doesn't mean shit. Move on.
Doesn't mean shit. I
It is the most
actually,
real.
one of the most powerful things I heard was the past only exists in your mind.
Yes.
It doesn't
Yes.
exist in reality. It doesn't exist.
Yeah.
It's done. It's gone. It's actually a dead body. So
Correct.
the only place it actually exists is in your mind, where you let it torture you. But you
Yeah.
don't need to, because it's dead. You can
Yeah.
just focus on now and what
Correct.
you want your life to become here onwards. So so
But
that,
that's the
yeah,
message.
yeah,
Socho, that's the message we're getting out of a song, which
yeah.
was so well produced and so well done, and the voices were so good. It's just amazing. It's working on so many levels that how can this song not be a hit? You know what I mean?
Yeah. So the
Yeah.
production of this is super, like this is top notch production.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that being said, there were
Yeah.
so many changes in the song. Just when I
Yeah.
felt like I was already vibing to the groove of one section, it switched and it moved into something else. Then there was
Yeah.
that little 10 second in the middle with just the lady with the helmet and the sari and the sneakers just standing with
And
her
which
leg
was
up and
completely off.
boss
Yeah.
pose. And I was like, ye kahan se
Love
aaya?
it.
But I like it. I like it. And then evidence it's come and you're like, and then it's gone. So you're like, "Kahan gaya?" But it was just so funny the way they made the video and the way they made the track. Even it's almost
Yeah.
like they wanted to section it.
Yeah.
But what I really kept thinking throughout, especially the first 30-40 seconds of the song, is I want to work out. I want to work out to this song, because the lyrics, the beat, everything, the vibe, it was motivating me to just, like
Yeah.
go that extra set.
Yeah.
And I was like, this is going on my gym playlist. This is going on my gym playlist. Like those were the thoughts in my head when it started and pulled me in. So that aside, like I feel like we should
So
explore.
now so Maajja is based in Chennai, right?
I think,
As a
yeah, yeah,
yeah, because wherever Rahman sir honge wahin pe hoga na, like matlab, like if you look at it that way. So all these artists, different
Mhm.
artists, they clearly are from all around the world. Now I know many artists who were stationed within Chennai. Like I know many, like one of my friends as well. She flew down and she was being like, she was living in Chennai so that all this work could happen. But I'm wondering how they're managing to do this with artists who are everywhere around. Yes, everything is virtual. It's easy now. But I'm just like, now because I'm interested, I want to know how they're managing the back end of it. There is everyone, every artist they work with, they kind of fly them down and everyone works together within Chennai. Or are they recording somewhere else and shooting the video there, but the production and the arrangement is happening? So, how the whole functionality of the project is happening. Now I'm actually going to focus.
I feel like, but I feel like with the kind of over the decades and over the years, the network that and the sort of bases that his team probably has around the world is probably much
Yeah.
easier. And of course,
I'm sure.
everyone's gone virtual with everything, be it recording,
Correct.
be it producing, be it
Correct. Yeah.
so but I mean, I feel like what they're doing with Maajja, I think we saw in the intro to Maajja as well, that it's all about the South Indian artists and the main languages of the South and those cultures and artists from those cultures. So it's a platform for that. And I feel like I mean, we needed a platform like that in the country, especially for independent music, because we know that even the South film music is very, very, very popular and very widespread in its reach. But the independent artists are, who really need that push on a platform like this. And I really, really wish that songs like this now start charting, and not just in the South, but across India. Like, and I feel like all the streaming platforms in that sense have a big responsibility to push this music in their playlists, and to make sure people, at least get to sample it, push it on your home pages. When you open a Spotify, when you open a YouTube Music, Maajja and the songs from Maajja should pop up immediately as suggestions, for people. So I feel like I haven't seen it when I've opened my apps. I have not yet seen a Maajja song pop up, and I've heard it on YouTube. So even when I open YouTube Music, it hasn't popped up. So I'm just saying, maybe those are the places where Maajja's team could maybe leverage their relationships and
marketing team.
I
Get
mean,
on work.
I don't know. Maybe they don't have anything to do with it, and it's totally up to the streaming platforms and their teams. But I
Yeah.
feel like we will hear a lot more people appreciating good music like this, rather than
Yeah.
the kind of songs that are charting, which like
Correct.
really like make my ears bleed. Should I take names? Because water.
If
Maybe
you
you'll
feel like,
understand.
go for
I'll
it.
just I won't spell
वो
it
enough था.
out.
वो enough
हाँ.
था.
So
Spell
I'm
करने की
just
जरूरत नहीं.
saying, like, cringe like that will trend, and then actual good music like this, I feel like, anyway, those are my 2 bits on
You know,
how.
when you were saying this, I'm actually recalling back how back in the day Chitrahar hota tha. So there,
The
all
one and
the
only.
top the one and only. So and that time there was nothing else. So if a song made it to Chitrahar top 10, like, for the first 10, and then they made it 25 or whatever. Like, if you heard it there, you knew it was a short hit. Every song in those 10 songs of Chitrahar used to be a hit. Today, there's no such one element. Yes, the Billboard charts are there, or like,
It's too much.
but those are exactly,
Yeah.
there are so many options that there is no one focused approach to finding music. So then you're right that it's one, the streaming platforms, and two,
Everyone
where
uses them because there are
that's the
free
only
ones
place.
now. Huh.
Yeah. And of course, YouTube, right here. Like the more you
Yeah.
listen and the more you share, the more you hit like or you subscribe, but more importantly, when you hit like, that's when the whole algorithm, kicks in, and that's how something starts popping up.
Yeah.
Which goes, I'm subtly referencing to us also over here, that for the channel, if you hit a like or you hit a subscribe,
And subscribe. I mean, come on, guys.
very nicely, smoothly. I tried to, like, I didn't intend it, but ho gaya.
Oh,
But
yes.
yeah. Lekin point is that in today's day and age, this is where the focus needs to go. And how do you spread that one good song?
Yeah.
So
And
go for it.
And the thing is, I use 2 apps. Okay, just my personal example, I'm saying one is Spotify and one is YouTube Music. Now, YouTube Music makes it very easy, and it actually shows me songs in the feed, suggested feed, that I have actually watched videos of on YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube separate, YouTube Music separate. So, but
Correct.
whenever I've opened YouTube Music, I have never got Maajja songs as my suggested songs, and those are songs that I've heard. So they don't even appear in my suggested new songs ka feed. They don't even appear in my, the random mix that YouTube makes for you based on the songs you've already heard.
Listen to,
Us pe bhi nahi aata hai. So I'm just saying, I don't know if anyone from the Maajja team will watch this, or like anyone from those platforms, but I feel like there's a little gap there. Something is missing. So anyway, I just hope music like this gets its audience, or audience finds this kind of music easier.
And that's where we come in, and that's what we are trying to do right now.
Yes, so that's why we react to a lot of this stuff, and we spend time on making these videos and discussing this music, because whatever little reach we have, we just hope it gets
microscopic reach should also make a difference. Yes,
should make a difference.
Go forth and share.
So yes, share, like will get the video in more people's feed. I've been told I don't say this often. Hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps the channel out. It helps me grow. And check out Miss Bola's website. She has a brand new website that she's worked very hard on. All her work is there. Check it out. It's in the description below. And live long and prosper. We'll see you in the next one.